Whoa, that is a Supra. All right, let's close this. Let's close this. Ooh, 300ZX. Whoa, R34. And let's close this. And that is looking sick. What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. It's Z and Abs, our Zabs project. And today we're working on this Volkswagen Golf Mark 6. As you can see, we've got the front bumper on, we got the side wing on, but we're having an issue. So when I put the bumper on, I noticed we can put a screw on this side, which is T325. But when I was trying to put a T25 or T20 screw on this side, I realized the clip from behind the bumper is broken. Now, this headlight has an issue already. As you can see, it started to mess up on the top coat. It's getting rough from the side, it's got scratches. So we thought, you know what, rather than just changing the headlight holder, we'll get the whole unit, headlight holder, and the top bit as well, which we have. So we're going to do, so in today's episode we're going to remove the bumper, remove the headlight, replace the headlight, secure the bumper on properly, put the front grills on, put the front number plate on, and we also got a wheel liner and we need to put that on over there as well. Once that's on, we clip the bumper on and we secure it properly. The car will be complete. We can put the front grille on, and then we can work on the interior and the windscreen. And as you can see, Abs has already put a front lip idea on the bottom, and to be honest with you, it is looking sick. If I just zoom out a bit, come this side, it is looking epic. Just close the bonnet. You get the idea, you know what we're on about. And I gotta say, the front bumper is looking sick. So the first thing I'm gonna do is let's remove this lip out of the way. Then we can remove the bumper. The only thing that's holding the bumper is this T20 or T25 screw. So let's undo that. That's just the one screw. Once that's removed, the bumper should come off. Nice and easy. Oh, undo it from this side a bit. Don't want it to fall. Don't fall. Yep, it's clear. Put the bumper down. And now we can work on removing the headlight. Now to remove the headlight, we need T30, T30, T30. Got T25, 3 of them coming along here. We got another T25 here, T30, and then the whole headlight assembly with the holders can come off. And don't forget, we got connector behind as well that needs to come off. So as you can see, we've got these 3 off. There's actually T30, 2 T30 there, got another T30 over here, and another T30 over here. So we're gonna remove these, and then we can take this off. Loosen them first. Got this one over here, and the last one over here. Oh, come on. Ooh. Don't spin, don't spin. Worst case scenario, it's a 10 mil. Alright, no, I'm gonna have to get 10 mil. Alright, so we got 10 mil. Hopefully that works. Oh shoot. Alright, let me snap this open. Alright, so that keeps spinning. So I'm guessing this one is either loose and it's off already, or we don't need to take this off. So let's just take all the other bolts off and let's see how far we get with this. Just gonna take all these off, see if I can get away with taking that one off. And then this one here, last one. Okay, let's see if we can take this off now. Will they come out? Oh yes, there's another T20 here. We should remove that. Once we remove this, the holder should be free. And then we can remove the headlight with the assembly. Headlight assembly with the holder even. And now, that's loose. Is this loose? Is this loose? Is that loose? Oh. Alright, I think that bolt does need to come off, because I can see the headlight all moving, but there's something in there that's attaching this T30. Alright, I'm back with some WD-40, so just gonna grease it up. Get some in the back. Okay, let's see what it does now. So we managed to get the headlight removed. Now that T30 there, we hardly need to touch it. Reason being because that is actually holding the headlight onto the headlight bracket. Anyway, so we just have to persuade it a bit, and it's off. We've taken the cable off as well. Voila. This is the headlight assembly, which we can move now. Look at the difference. Ah, days, look at the difference. I don't want to see much here, but if I compare this side to this side, look how nice and crystal clear this is. And that one is had its better days. So now we can put this back on. And now we can put this back on. Just gonna give it a quick clean. It's quite dirty. Okay, that should do it. Now the first thing we need to do is connect the plug on. So we got the plug connected. Voila. Now we just need to carefully, I say this carefully, headlight in. Okay. Okay, now we just need to put this clip inside its position, and that should just clip in. Just like that. And now the headlight is in its position. So now we should bolt it on. Got two T30s here, one there, T20s there, T20 behind the wheel liner. And we have T30 here. So let's go ahead and bolt on. Okay, so we got the headlight in with the full assembly headlight holder. And this sucker here was broken from the other one, so we couldn't attach the bumper on top of that. So now we can. Let's remove the screw, T20, and let's bring the bumper. Oh, yes, nice bumper. Shiny, shiny, shiny bumper. That goes on. I'm gonna stop here, and I'm gonna take my sweet time putting it on. Just like this. Better not scratch anything. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Nope. Man, it's got a bit more this way. And yes, we're nearly in. Yes, yes. That's that. It's been nerve-wracking. Trying to do it alone. So these two things need to slot in here, I think. In here. This obviously needs to come up. Oh, yep, like this. So is this. There you go. Now we're nearly there. Yes. Yes. Slot in. Slot in. Perfect. Now we can clip this side. Clip this side before I do that. I want to get the bolt in here. So let's line it up. There you go. Yeah, that comes from. That's one. Here's the other one. Let's tighten this up. And voila. That's what I'm talking about. Bumper secured from the center. Just you put this side in. This clips in. Lift this up in there. T20 somewhere here. Boom! That's secured. Look at that alignment. Nice. Just got to do this side over here now. Come on, it's got to go up a bit. Yep. There you go. And wicked, look at that. So the bumper is on, secured, aligned. Just need to get the under tray in. I forgot about that. So we will jack the car up because we need to put the wheel liner in and the under tray across. So we got the wheel liner in. It's all bolted and secured. We also got the under bumper tray secured and in. And we got the grill on and the bumper is on, the wing is on, the headlight is on. So we just need to lower the car now, see how it looks. And hopefully it'll be all done from the outside now. Yes, it's looking sick. So the next thing we need to do is put the grill on, close the bonnet and see how it looks. And the grill is somewhere here. Yes, here it is. Yes, I know it's messy. We'll get to that in a bit. Let's put the grill on. Oh, wrong around. Okay. Let's go like something like that. Perfect. So now we just need now we just need 40 20 bolts, 2 in this side and 2 in this side to secure it. Once that's secured, we close the bonnet. Yes, now it's a complete car. Look at that. All right, let's close this. Let's close this. Let's close this. And then let's just admire the car. And there you go. The car is complete. It's looking fresh. The outside is all done. We got the front bumper, front wing, we got the front headlight, we got the front grille, we got the under tray in, we got the front headlight assembly with the bracket in, the bumper's connected, it's all aligned. Next thing we need to do is front windscreen. And as you can see, it's a big mess from inside. Inside is all done as well. We got the new dash on. We have got steering wheel airbag, but I'm waiting for the Loctite to tighten this up. Then we can put the steering wheel airbag, reset the airbags, and then remove the seat, clean the interior, put new interior in. That lip needs to go on. Anyway, it is the end of today's episode, guys. I hope you enjoyed the episode. Stay safe, stay blessed. And if you haven't already, you enjoyed this episode, smash that subscribe button, like and share. And I have to say, I keep saying T20, 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 but it's not, it's actually T25. And the funny thing is, I actually made an episode on how to remove the front grille, and I still don't know how to remove it. Take care, we'll see you in the next one.